our ice cream, meat, and seafood chest freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 79 inches, a depth 30 inches, and a height of 33.5 inches tall. Left and right glass slide doors, and included are 6 removable baskets. Each basket will measure 11.5 inches by 22.5 inches in depth and a height of 6.5 inches tall. Measurements apply for each of the 6 baskets that will be included. Interior dimensions, we have 61 inches in length applies before the step, and with the step we have 73.5 inches in length. A depth we have 24 inches and a height of 22 inches. And the height before the maximum fill line we have 17 inches. Right above the maximum fill line will be an LED strip that runs along the edge. Measurements for the step, we have 12 inches in length by 10 inches in height. Located on your right corner will be a plug and your drain. Coming to the bottom will be the power switch, the indicator, along with the operational turn switch. 110 and 120 voltage plug, and coming to the back will be the ETL certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.